back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be busting, where they end your life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fast. Had to cut out the session, he got it a crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we slinging a rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you short? Even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me, yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. Till the day we see them. This feel like the moment we seeking, the day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk, walk, walk.
Recording in progress.
Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk.
All right. Welcome in. Happy Monday.
We walk, get back to the
welcome.
business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah.
All right, well, good to see everyone. Welcome in. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. It is a fresh week, new week. We are back, New York session. I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys had a great weekend. And it's time to eat. Time to eat. Y'all ready? Yay? Yay. Good to be back. Good to be back. We had an awesome webinar this week. It was pretty cool, pretty chill, nice Q&A. We went over some wins, some losses, some lessons, some trades. And yeah, man, we did pretty good last week. So I hope you guys are doing good. As you settle in here, give the stream a like for me. And we are going to begin the day. Just took in the webinar. What up, DJ Scratches? What up, Lazy Panda? What's up, Engineer? What up, Jaguar in the building? What up, YOLO Trader? Good morning, Earl. Good morning, Zebs. What's good? What's good? What's up, Cobra? What up, Maiko? Z Gamer in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Bear? Oh, wait, where'd you go? Bear Billa? Yeah, Bear Billa. What's good, Vince? What up, Wokey? Jimmy Williams in the house. What's goody? What's goody? What's up, Xander? How are you, brother? Good to see y'all. Good to see y'all. AB Mike in the house. What up, OGH? Good morning or good afternoon, Dominic. What's up, Zyper? What up, what up? George VDM is here. All right, it's official. We can begin. The man is here. Let's go ahead and pray. Let's get the day started, and we will begin. All right, Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a new week, Lord. We just ask that you would go before us this week, that you would make our path blessed, Lord, that you would make it straight. We just thank you, Lord. We really don't ask for much here today. We're just so in awe with the blessings that you've already given us. We just thank you for it. Let us just sit and admire, Lord, your work. We thank you for what you're doing here in this community. We thank you for what you're putting together, Lord, and we just give you all the glory for it. We fully depend on you, Lord, like little babies depend on their father and mother, Lord. So we thank you for that. We thank you that we can be dependent upon you, and that we know that all good things come from above, Lord. So we thank you for them, and we give you all the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. 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 W weekend, man. Seriously, just W weekend. Yeah. All right, let's begin the day. Amen, amen, amen is in the chat. Let's get it. Let's get it. So let's go over today. Let me just share my screen. 1 second. Got these. Boom. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. All right. Zoom link is out. Let me share my music with the Zoomers, and then we will rock and roll. So, quick lay of the land here this week. So this is going to be a shorter week, obviously. So we'll be live streaming YouTube Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday this week. And then Thursday is going to be a big bank holiday. So we got a bank holiday coming in on Thursday in the US. So Thursday and Friday there won't be a stream, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday will be all good to go. There will be a clubhouse stream though on Friday. So Friday, anyone in the clubhouse, we will stream. You guys obviously don't have to come. It's the day after Thanksgiving. I'm sure a lot of you guys will be with your family and stuff, but we will be streaming on Friday. So that's just a little bit about our schedule here at TTE. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the actual fundamental aspect of this week. Again, today is Monday here. It is the 25th of what month is it? November. Yeah, it's the 25th of November. We're creeping towards the end of the month here. It's another day, another opportunity for us to just be patient, to be disciplined, to be observers here today. It's Monday. Really want to let price action jump off the chart at you when you're looking to take trades here today, and any day for that matter. So we're going to be patient. We're going to be disciplined. We're going to keep our eyes locked in on our goal, which is to at some point down the road, right, within the next 2 to 3 years, really reach that 8-figure trader mark. So if we're going to do that, we've got to make 8-figure decisions here today, and that'll ultimately get us to where we want to be. So let's have a lay of the land here as well. It looks like there's nothing much happening here today in terms of USD, so there's not much news going on. Tuesday though, which is tomorrow, you do have some red folders coming in at 10 a.m. So you got some 10 a.m. red folders. That shouldn't be anything too crazy. Wednesday, we've got unemployment claims will be on Wednesday this week because Thursday is the bank holiday, right? So you have Wednesday here, the 27th. You got the prelims. You also have unemployment claims coming in, and then just really a bunch of news. So everything towards the tail end of the week is going to get squeezed in here on Wednesday. Yeah, so it should be a very interesting, entertaining day. And we'll see how we can go about our business then, but that should be the highest volatile day of the week. Thursday again, markets should be pretty slow, especially US markets. And then Friday, Friday there's no red folder news either. So Thursday and Friday should be pretty chill, pretty slow this week if you're trading anything USD related. If you're trading some of these other pairs, then you should be all in. Cool. Let me lower the music. Sorry, gang, my bad. So sorry about that. But anyway, let's get into the more important part, which is going to be the technicals. And let's kind of do a fresh top-down analysis. If you guys can, now that I lowered the music, like the stream. Like the stream. Yeah. All right, let's do a fresh top-down analysis, and let's see what we can kind of come up with here today. Yeah, my bad. Sorry about the music. All right, let's go ahead and get started here. So taking a look at gold here, this is the daily time frame. So obviously we've been in a massive bullish run here, right? So we've been just running up here on gold ever since the news of Trump and the elections kind of came out. We had this insane push down, and we've basically retraced that entire move now, right? So we've retraced the entire move since the elections. This was November 8th. Right, November 5th here, November 8th, 9, 10th, 11th. So we started just driving down here on the daily, only to reject off of this major level of support, this previous zone in which we just consolidated in for like 3 weeks, right? Back in September, we came back down, we rejected perfectly right into that range, pushed off of it, and we've been moving bullish now ever since, right? So now let's speed up to, current time here. So we do have gold sitting currently at this resistance level, right, on the daily time frame. So you have a resistance here. You also have the previous daily candle close with no top wick on it. So very interesting there. Could that mean that this is where we get a potential resistance to form and have this little fake out go on for price to potentially continue down a little bit more now, right? Like kind of create this top wick tomorrow and begin to drive down and create some new ranges. So as I mentioned last week several times, I'm not bearish on gold until we actually get a bearish closure, right? Because this thing could play us, right? This thing could say, okay, Looks like I want to go down. It's going to break, oh, I'm sorry, it's going to break the lows here, right? And then potentially re-break these highs, right? So I am not bearish on the daily until we actually get a bearish closure. It doesn't really matter that we're in resistance. Doesn't really matter that we have no top wick. Clearly price action is on something else right now, so this at any point could run a pack runner and then begin to come back up, flip, break the highs, and move bullish here today. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour though. So it looks like the previous 4 hour candles have they were consolidating for a bit. You closed with no top wick. That was Friday's daily candle. We opened up right out the gates, broke the highs, came down, closed strong bearish candle, ripped down, drove right into this support level right here, and then began to move bullish, right? So we planted a support here. We've got no top wick on this candle, no bottom wick on this candle, and yeah, so I don't know what's going on here with the 4 hour, but let's take a look at the 1 hour. So 1 hour is trying to make its way down, try to do some sort of retracement. We'll see if that's going to happen. 30-minute struggling though to break the lows here. So what looks like a potential fake out, right? This may be, let's take a look at the 15-minute too here. Yeah, so what looks like a potential fake out, if we don't break those lows, right, there's a high chance that this candle will now flip bullish, right, and close back above, being that we are in this like new breakout, you know, uptrend, new support to continue up to retrace the move, right? So that could be the case here. Yes, I'm gonna wait for NY open. We'll see if we get some sort of a 30 minutes. The last 15 closed at no bottom wick here, so we'll see if we can get some sort of like 30-minute celery play or a closure back above the range, and then we could look for buys moving up. So looks like the excuse me, 5-minute candles are struggling here as well. So yeah, just gonna wait for NY open and we'll go from there. I think there was a 15 support somewhere. Let's take a look. Yeah, so that's what I got here. So potential buys back above 88, and then yeah, if we do kind of close like this come NY open, then I would be open to potential sell stops here on the break of the lows. So that's kind of like my my idea here, and that's what I'm going to look for here today. Cool. So daily candle can go either way here today. Very interesting to see, but as of right now, we did kind of break the highs early on and just been driving down here. So we'll see what happens. Last time we came into this area, we've kind of pushed up, right? If you notice, we've pushed up off of here, we've pushed up off of here. So we'll see what happens right in this zone here and see if we push up or if we begin to move down. But I think this 30 closure, 15 closure, hour closure will help us out here as we approach NY open. Cool. Sweet. What's up, Energy? What up, Xander? What up, Mr. Smith? Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Let me get my Zoom chat up here. What up, Zoomers? What up, Shelly? What up, Daniel? What up? PM Magnifico in the building. What's goody? What's goody? Facts. What's up, Mr. B Profits? Yo. Good morning, Nikki. What's goody? What up, Project Toro? The whole gang's here. Stephen B in the house. Let's go. What's up, Lee? Buzz Blab in the building. All right. What's up, Buzz Blab? W. Welcome. What's good, Dominic? All right, so that's my plan. So if we break the lows and drive here, I'm totally fine with that. We've got a couple minutes here for NY open, and then we'll see where we're at from there. TK's in the building. What up, TK? What's goody? If we close with no wick at the bottom here, I'm telling you, NY open could push us back up now. All right, and do something like this. Break the lows there, and then we might see a drive up. So pretty interesting. What's up, Dropout Trader? Big Magnus, the Vikings here. The Viking, yo, I got my so I got my treadmill set up. The only thing now is I'm waiting on is my camera clamp, so that way I can clamp my camera to the desk, so when I move my desk up, we're good. You guys won't lose me. Yeah, if I move my desk up now though, I'm gone. You guys will only be able to see the monitor, the back of the monitor, because I got it on a tripod. But yo, it was so easy to get 10,000 steps in yesterday. So easy. What's up, Bobby? Good morning, brother. Blessings, my friend. Blessings. It's getting a little chilly here in Florida. Went for a nice walk here this morning. Nice little walk. Okay, so we got NY open here. So let's see what happens. See how we're driving down right away? If we begin to break the highs here, right, then there's a very high chance that we have created some sort of an exhaustion wick, right, for price to potentially continue moving up. So I'm just curious to see if that's the case. I'm going to wait a few minutes to let this candle open up a bit and then see if I want to put a buy stop there. What's up, Kelvin? Good morning, brother. Thank you, Robert. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that, man. Same to you and yours. Bands counted up. What's goody? YOLO. How we feeling, YOLO? Cold in Toronto? I bet. I bet. What'd you guys do this weekend? Anything good? Anybody do anything fun? Oh, good morning. Good morning, hero of the day. Hero of the day, he is now with us. So let's see if gold exhausts off of here, and if we don't have a, if we're not like extremely bearish, and we're continuing to reject, I may have a buy stop here at 820, a little bit before 820. Let me put this. All right, cool. Yeah, I feel like gold could just keep pushing bullish here today. Yeah, I'm gonna wait though. I'm gonna wait for like 8:15ish and see how we actually do. So I'm not gonna enter on the break of the high right now, but if we actually come 8:20, if we're there, if we're up there, then yes. Let's see here. Let's see. What's up, Ayush? What's good, bro? 4 months here. Hey, W 4 months. Hope you're learning a lot. Hope you're picking some things up and putting some things down and just getting better. You know, getting better as a person, getting better as a trader, just getting better in all areas. Nice. What's up, Banty? Banty FX in the building. What's good? What's good? What's good? So 53 pip drop there. So we'll see what happens. What I would love to see here is, like, let's say this 15-minute candle closes just like that. The next one kind of wick down a bit, and then you have a buy stop right there. Right, so that way if it does break the high, those are our entries. 8:15, you'll have comics open in place, right? Partials here, and then if you get the closure, maybe we continue up. Little inverted celery action, you know? How you doing? You know, how you doing? How you doing, inverted celery? Bum, 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 bum. The question is, does it wait for the TT squad? Dun, 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 dun. So anyway, did anyone do anything good over the weekend? Literally 2.2. Wow. W, bro. What's my advice on prop firm? I've worked with many prop firms. See, that's the issue. You've worked with many. There's only few that are good, brother. Just like anything in life. Many is not the greatest thing, right? What are the top 5? Who are the top 3, right? That's who you want to work with. So don't just work with any and many, right? Because any Joe Schmo can come out here and start a prop firm, right? So you have to understand which ones are the best ones, which ones are the most credible sources to do business with, right? And then you only want to do business with those. Simple. So if you're in CFD, I would highly recommend Top One Trader or FTMO. If you're trading futures, I would recommend Top Step or probably my futures funding or whatever it is. Those are probably the top 2. Other than that, I would not even mess with any other ones. Big chillin'. Oh, can I speak slow? I'm sorry. Only purchase accounts from the most credible sources. You know what I mean? So don't mess with many. Mess with few and make sure the few are the top of the line ones, and then you won't have issues. You smell me? You smell me? A20 cheat code? Yes, possibly. Possibly. What's up, Lee? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in. Dropout trader. Yeah, I believe the webinar is up already, guys. So if you guys haven't actually, yeah, I think DJ Scratcher said he's seen it, right? Yeah, so the webinar is up from Saturday, so you guys can go check that out now. It's in the clubhouse. Really, really good webinar. You know, very chill, fireside chat type of deal. I really enjoyed it. Have I took the trade? Which one? Which trade? I didn't trade Asian or London last night, so I haven't taken any trades today. I'm waiting on this candle here to close. My prediction would be that we would break the lows, we'd drive down, we would exhaust, we would close bullish, and if we do close bullish plus leave a wick at the top, then I'm going to enter buys. That's my plan. Yeah, good questions too during the webinar. Really, really good. Good questions. Oh, let's go, Willie. W, brother. I'll see you then. Yeah, that's true. PM Magnifico. True, true, true. I went to hang with my nephew. Nice. How was that? What's up, Conrad? What's good? What's good? Conrad, you're traveling soon, right? Best of luck on your holiday travels, my friend. Been dreaming of it. Let's go. W. The dream is real, my friends. The dream is real. Telling you, whatever you can think in the mind, you can bring into reality. It's just, do you know the laws? Do you know the steps? Do you know the requirements? We talk about them all day long here, but some of you guys are just, you know, you're looking for the next trade, right? That your ears are shut to the wisdom that will set you up for life. But, you know, that's how it is sometimes on a trading stream, you know what I mean? The wisdom is here. Oh, you're welcome, bro. Yeah, enjoy it, dude. Enjoy it. That'll be fun. All right, 5 minutes for a 15 closure, and then we'll see where we're at. Let me see. Hey, shout out to everyone who won challenge accounts on Friday. Yo, we did $375,000 in challenge account giveaways. Everyone should have their email and hopefully have your account now. If you don't have your account now, you'll definitely have it today. But we're trying to really help where we can. We're trying to support people where we can, you know, and especially ones that perform well. We want to give them that extra attention and see if we can, you know, give them some more opportunities. So, what's up, Nors? Yeah, we'll do some more giveaways. But man, that was wild. Been thinking about getting closer to God. That's really nice. That's very nice. Yeah, that's probably God just kind of knocking on the door to your heart, saying, "Hey, you know, like I want a relationship." So yeah, I think you should explore that path. Oh, you're welcome, Mr. Lopez. W. C Millie and Dropout passed it. Yeah, W. True. Yeah, so did anyone take the entry on the break of the high? That would have been, I think we were sitting like what, like 20, 25 pips maybe in profit at this point. Stops were like 56 pips, I think. Yeah, 56. Oh, nice. I made you so much money. W. Send a little check my way, G. Send a little thank you. A little, hey, how you doing? A little TT tax. What's up, Bryce? Good morning. Good morning. How you doing? Send me a little some, you know what I'm saying? Hook your boy up. Pay the fee. Nah, I'm very happy for you guys. You know, all you guys that are making a bunch of money right now, kudos to you. We've got a lot of elite members really like bringing some dough in that they've never brought in before. So it's really good to see it. It really is. Very, very special. Oh yeah, by the way, so we are gonna I'm gonna be opening up 2 or 3 spots for the elite program. I will keep you posted when. just if you guys have been looking to do it, keep an ear out because they'll go super fast. So they'll probably go like the first day like that I announce it. So keep an ear out for that. I'll post it here. I'll post it in the Discord and on IG. But it'll probably be like 3 spots that are going to open up, and that'll probably be it for the rest of the year. Most important thing to build a solid community as a leader, you gotta provide free value to people. You have to pour into people for free and not expect any sort of monetary gain in return. That's it. Add value to people's lives for free. All right, so I think we're getting a 15 closure here. So we are getting a 15 closure. So we'll see how we do here on this. If we get a pretty steep bottom wick and then we start breaking the highs come like comics open, then I will have a buy stop here. Yeah, it looks like entry 1 worked out. Let's see if entry 2 plays out here. See, Millie, how we feeling? Yeah, so the reason I don't want to jump the gun and get in early here is because our stops now are 91 pips or 8 pips, right? And comics open, like let's say we just flirt around here, we get into buys, comics open could rip us down here only for price to rip back up. So I just want to wait a few minutes here for this lower wick to get established, and then if that's the case, I'll have a buy stop. Yeah, so you go out, exactly, Shelly. You go out and you pour into yourself and you change your entire life, and then you spend the rest of your life sharing with others how you did it. What worked for you, what you went through, what were some trials, what were some errors, what were some successes, what were some lessons, what were some mountaintop moments, and that's how you build. That's how you build. And good leaders, they just do, right? They don't spend too much time talking. They spend a lot of time doing, and yeah. Gold likes to troll a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. All right, so now we're looking like 32 pips. That's a much better stop loss for me. So gonna have a buy stop here on the break of the highs. Break of these, buy stop, break of these highs here. Expecting price to continue to potentially move bullish, right? Continue to break these highs, push through, and ultimately, create support on the 1 hour and continue driving up. Yeah, I'm gonna have stops below the current candle lows. I don't really see any other stops. Maybe use some lower time frames like the 5 minute, but then your stops get pretty steep at that point. So yeah, pretty much below the current 15 lows, and that's gonna be my trade. You gotta fill your cup up and then pour it out, and then fill it up and then pour it out. Yeah, and what we can say here, right, is like, are we potentially making, let's see here, are we potentially starting to trend bullish, right? So there's a big move that randomly happened, right? Then we consolidated for a bunch, right? And now we have pushed up, we've came down, we've established a support. Can we begin to move back up now, right? And start to trend upward here. So that's kind of the idea. We'll see when 820 comes about, if that breaks the highs for us, and if it does, I'm open. I'm not too concerned with this resistance here because we've already kind of created this to come down to potentially move back up, right? So I'm not going to be too concerned about that resistance when there's high volume in place. Now, look, if we were ranging, right? If we were ranging, I would be concerned, but we're not ranging. We're kind of moving up, we're pulling back, and we're trending here. So there's a big difference between this range and waiting for a closure above than this pullback off support and taking buys, right? This is something I've been looking into a lot more lately as well. We've got this candle over here with no top wick as well here. So could that be the potential target, right, for this move here? So we'll see. All right, so we got support. Now, if you don't like that idea, then you just put you just make your own range here, right? Even though you're trending, you can set a range here and then just wait for closures above. But here comes 820. So we'll see if Comics Open breaks the highs. If it does, I like the move. If it starts breaking lows, then probably get rid of it and then actually wait for a closure above. Sly, how you feeling, Sly? How you feeling, Sly? How important is it to tell your story? Your story is everything. Your story will continue on, right? It never changes. So your story is one of the most important things that you can tell, especially as a leader. We don't usually mess with the 5. Yeah, we're not messing with the 5 really. What's A20? My wife's birthday. Oh, A20. A820. It's the time of the clock. So 820 is where the commodity exchange opens up in New York. I think it's in New York. And yeah, that typically brings some volume in. Where's my zoomers here? Alright, there they are. What's goody? What's goody? AB Mike and the chinchilla. Oh man, Johnny Gems is here. Okay, I didn't know Johnny Gems was here. My bad, brother. Didn't mean to disrespect. What up, Daniel? What's good, Buzz Blab? Yo, yo. What up, OGH? What's goody? Great questions this weekend, bro. Great questions. W. Johnny Gems.
Yo, yo.
How are you, bud? How are you?
How you doing? What's good, my man?
Oh, just doing great, man. Just doing great. How about yourself?
It's doing great. It's doing great, bro. Let's
Top
go.
of the morning to
Blessing.
you. Top of the morning.
Highly favored. Top of the morning. Grand Rising.
Amen.
Grand Rising, G.
Let's get it. How you feeling?
Yeah. Feeling amazing, bro.
I didn't see you all
Feeling
weekend.
great.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yeah, I had a great weekend, bro. How about you?
W. Yeah, excellent.
It was a busy weekend. Yeah, facts.
Excelente.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it was. What's up, chat? How we doing? How we doing?
Sorry to spam questions. Don't be sorry. That's what the chat's for. Do I have any books that I would like to recommend about leadership? The 5 Levels of Leadership by John Maxwell. Really good book.
John Maxwell.
The 5 Levels of
Man
Leadership.
Savage.
You know, when I read that book, it was so assuring to me because my mentor just embodied everything the book was talking about. I was like, yo, this guy's legit a level 5 leader. So yeah, 5 Levels of Leadership. Anything by John Maxwell is good to go in my opinion. He's incredible on leadership, and I really like reading his stuff. He's really good at putting the book together, making it understandable, and all that good stuff. All right, so I am in here. So I took buys, going to see if we can make our way up towards 26.96 here to give that candle a top wick. Somewhere up there, gonna go break even as we approach resistance here, and yeah, that's my trade. Lead with no title. I never read that one. I've never actually read that one. Was that one pretty good? I've never read that one. Have you read that, John?
No. No.
Currently currently at work trying to get better at trading so my family can be financially free. I like that. W.
Oh,
My man's trying something to get his family financially free. Bro, that's better than 98% of people. 98% of people are like, what should I do? Oh, should I get a job? Okay, I'll get a job. Okay, that's it. You know what I mean? And not even focus
right.
on getting their family ahead. So big kudos and W to you. You're the real NV.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, you're already separating yourself, bro. Keep going. You got this.
Separation time, baby.
Separation.
Johnny DiCaprio.
Yeah, it's hilarious. What's up, Z Gamer?
Bum, bum, bum.
Fans counting up. What's up, G?
How come buy at the top of the range? So I'm really not. I'm not considering that much of the top of the range. I'm kind of looking at this as almost like an uptrend here, and we're beginning to move up, right? And potentially now retest that resistance there, and then continue to make these higher highs, right? So maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right. We'll see. I am gonna go break even as we approach those wicks up there, and then go from there. I know that it's New York Open. It's 8:20. We've got a lot of volume coming in, so that's the reason for the trade. Next candle 8:30. Looks like gold's going to try and create this pretty strong support on the 30-minute time frame, and then maybe we continue moving up from there. Oh yeah, let me lower John's mic a little bit.
I don't know why it's always like that.
What'd you say?
I don't know why it's always like that.
All right, perfect.
It's weird.
Yeah, so anytime I shut my computer off, I got to readjust them. Oh, Robin Sharma. I never read that one. Dope. How you doing? What up, Segan Slays? Alright, so we're sitting about 20 pips here, so I'm gonna probably just close one of my contracts. Oh, not bad. Let me do it that way. Let's do it that way. So if we re-break the high, I'll close one contract there, and then I'll go break even. Yeah, so break even. Yeah, if we don't hit it, then I'll just keep my stops on the flip of the candle. But yeah, I think we were right on it. Entered 3 contracts. Nice. So we have the 30 closure, right? So I'm not trying to kind of put my stop there. I want to leave room for the next 30-minute candle to make a lower wick and all that. So yeah, I might not go break even yet. Yeah, I'm not gonna go break even. Hunter, let's go. He's in for the ride. W.
Oh, nice, Legrand. Yeah, that book is awesome. I love that book.
Which
Forex
one?
Mindset.
The Forex Mindset. Yeah, good book.
Yeah, man. It's a great book, Legrand. How you liking it, man? Yeah.
Really
Feel
good
the
book.
change in you. Nice. It's awesome.
I X'd the position and it gave me less money than it showed. Either that or I'm tripping. Yeah, that's what we were talking about in the webinar. So that's why I didn't manually do it.
Yeah, Energy. What's up, Energy? That's what happened to me too last week. Crazy.
Is it too late to come in for the buy? I would just wait for the 30-minute candle to close here. So you got a 30 closure in 50 seconds. I'd wait for that, and then I'd maybe look for a new buy. Limit orders are less fees. Yeah.
Oh, really? Wow. Didn't know that.
W Titan. Gotta love when that happens. Last time I did that, I forgot about the trade. I was negative almost 3 grand. So kudos to you for being at least positive.
Yeah, it's awesome, man. Damn.
W. Yeah, last time I did that, I literally had this trade running from New York session. I remember I was like, peace out, glory to the Father. We just took a W trade. I'm like, see you later, everyone. Yeah, have a good one. Literally turned my computer off, came back to mark up my charts for Asian session. I was negative like $2,500.
Yeesh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
wild.
tough.
All right, so there's my partials. So I am going to go break even now. And yeah, we'll see what happens from here. Dun, dun. Yeah, so this is the trade. Pretty simple one. Boom. All right, so we got no bottom wick there, so we'll see what happens. We did kind of come into this wick area. If we can keep pushing with no bottom wick, that'd be great, but, you know, there's a chance that we do see a bottom wick here. Very high chance, actually, right? 85% chance we see a bottom wick here. But good work. Good trade. Good idea. I think if we got it from there, too, it would have been nice, but, again, I didn't want to impulse right there. I think we would have got like 50, 58 there.
Nice W.
Did anyone actually? Yeah, I think a few people took the break of the high, right? Yeah, it was a good trade.
Yeah, energy. That's what I'm gonna do as well. Either let it hit my TP or my limit order.
Otherwise, you're gonna pay the fee, energy.
Yeah.
Pay the fee.
It's gonna be tough.
Yeah, so we'll probably get a flip here. Yeah, I'm just gonna close my trade. So I just closed full right there. We'll probably get the candle to flip bearish here. And now look, now what we do is we got one trade in, and now we wait, right? So now we are ranging a little bit, right? Because we're rejecting the highs here, and now we just wait. So now we got price surrounded. We took some profits. We made some money. We wait for a closure above. We wait for a closure below, and that's our next move. Until then, we talk about stupid stuff like glitching the matrix and cracking the cheat code and growing spiritually and physically and financially, and you know what I mean? It's a simple game. Simple day in the office.
Yeah. For real.
Yeah, I get B a lot less often because I close partials. So, you know, I tested, you guys remember in September, I think it was September, or one of the, yeah, I think it was September. I sample sized holding positions till full target and noticed that I had way more break-even trades, right? So that's when I went back to just closing positions and closing partials and just living with the profits.
Yeah.
So it might be different for you, but for me, closing partials turned out to be more profitable.
Yeah, same for me.
And John, yeah, same for John too. Why the yellow glasses? So these are blue light glasses. So anytime that I have these like ultra bright lights in front of me, I want to save my eyes a little bit. So yeah, I wear the blue lights. I think they've become the signature now too. They've become like, I think now when I go visit you guys and like do seminars, I'm gonna have to bring these blue light glasses. You might not know me without them.
That's the new wave now. Yeah, it's the trend.
It's my cheat code. It's my you know, my indicator. I see things that you guys don't see with these glasses.
That's that EYES indicator, bro.
Should TT brand their own blue light glasses?
Hell yeah,
for
dude.
traders all around the world?
Honestly, if you're a trader, you need blue light blocker
Boom,
glasses.
another business idea. You guys remember Blue's Clues, right? As a kid, what do? You whip out your handy dandy notebook and you jot down how to make some more money. Let's sell some blue light glasses. On Amazon, coming soon. Should we sell some mini treadmills as well for underneath your stand-up desk? And maybe we could sell the whole package. You got the TT mouse pads, you got the TT stand-up desk, you got the TT treadmill underneath, and the blue light glasses.
Damn.
All for a whopping
million ways to make $1 million.
$1,299. Oh, everyone wants it. All right, let's go.
Yo, fact, Shelly, a nice like a journal, a TT journal with goal setting on it. Yeah.
Oh.
I like that.
I like that too. Another thing, I actually missed out on a genius idea. I don't know how I didn't think of this or how anyone else didn't think of it, but you guys know how you have like, you guys have square tables at your house, right? Where you got these points on each end, right? Did you know that someone, and you know your kids run into it and they hit their head or they hit their elbow, or even you run into it and you like get all point, like there's like a sharp point at the end. I remember one time when we were younger, my brother Joe, he was jumping from bed to bed, right? And they had these points at the end. He was back and forth. My dude just bam hit one of these corners and just split his whole wig open. So he had to go get stitches and all that at a young age, right? So some genius came up with the concept of let's put soft cushion around these. So they make these little things that you can kind of like stick on to the corners of your desk, which round them off, right? So that way when your kid comes over, ding, it doesn't like bust them wide open. So I'm a little salty because I actually missed out on that opportunity. How did I not think of that? Out of everyone here, how did none of us think of that?
We didn't think about it.
Oh, that's been out since 95? Oh my God. Stop, C. Millie. Take that back. Delete that comment.
Well, why the hell didn't our parents get it before Joe split his head open?
Glasses in the hat. Yo, we're going to sell them on Amazon. You guys can get affiliate links. Hang it down. Someone said Bitcoin's going down to 25,000. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I've seen some dude say he said, bro, you got to really start to think about stop saying the stupid stuff out loud.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know. No one knows. No one knows a thing. Nobody knows nothing. How many guys, if it went to 25K, you'd buy? Raise your hand. No, you wouldn't. Stop the cap. Stop the cap. You ain't got it in you. If it goes down to 25, you're gonna be like, nah, it's dead. Wow, it went to 100, almost 100, and now it's dead. You're capping.
That's your shot right there.
Anything is possible.
That's your second opportunity to get rich off it.
Seriously, if it went to 25K, who would actually do it? You wouldn't be scared? You wouldn't be scared that it might disintegrate to
Hey,
nothing?
man. Life's a risk. You gotta take risk.
Exactly.
All of life is a gamble.
See the idea now
Maybe
is
not my rent money.
if you weren't able to participate in the very first bull run, which I wasn't, right? You were to prepare yourself for the next bull run, which I was, right? And then cash out on the bull run and then wait for the next one, right? And then if you're not liquid at that point, you shouldn't even be worried about Bitcoin, right? You should be worried about, or any crypto for that matter. What you should be thinking about is, how do I raise capital? How do I produce income, right? How do you get ready? How do you get prepared for the next bull run? It's not the knowledge so much. It's, will you be sitting on cash to actually invest? You could have all the knowledge in the world of Bitcoin, but if you have no money to invest, what good is it? So right now, if you are looking to, become an investor, right? Well, the first and foremost, you need to be producing income. So that should be your main strategy. A couple people asked me, obviously, recently, yo, should I buy Bitcoin? I'm like, I don't know, dude. You seem to be living paycheck to paycheck. I probably wouldn't be stacking Bitcoin too much, right? I'd be trying to figure out how to get $10,000 a month coming in as soon as humanly possible, and then I would start thinking about investing. Right? Until then, just build businesses, right? Build things that will produce that income for you, so that way, when it's up here, you're building, and then once it comes back down into a bear market, now you have cash over here, right? That you can invest in when price comes down to these lows. You feel me?
Yes, sir. That's facts,
101.
Nick. So, create wealth, then multiply wealth, and then preserve it.
W. Exactly. You guys didn't play with Legos growing up? Little Legos. All right, look at this, man.
Legos
So
are the best, bro.
we moved down pretty aggressively. We ranged. We pushed up. We couldn't break the highs. We ranged, and now let's see how we close here. You got a 30 closure, which is probably going to be our best bet in 18 minutes. 15 closure coming up. That could lead to a fake out. I'm probably going to be waiting on 30 here on this lovely Monday.
That daily close with no topic there, eh? And the 4 hour.
Yeah, it did. Give me one moment. I'll be right back.
Got you, bro. Got you, Mr. Top G.
Yeah, or you could just be like me and just eat McDonald's with your wife for, a couple months.
Absolutely not.
Just chill. You can go through the pain we went through. It's fun. It builds character. BRB.
Absolutely. Yeah. Eat McDonald's for a whole week, and I don't think you're gonna want to ever eat again. Test that out. See how it works for you. It's good, Mr. Chief Joseph. Yo, Sly. Fresh reset on the combine. No one knows nothing. Had like $50 of drawdown. Yo, no one knows nothing. Yo, it's good, chat. How we feeling though? It's another day to be patient and disciplined to the trading plan. Let's go. You guys saw that coming, right? Yeah, what's up, Daniel? Yeah, word, bro. That's what happens, right? You may change something up. You definitely feel the difference, but hey, that's all good. And you got Thanksgiving coming up Thursday. It's about to get wicked. Oh, nice, Legrand. Currently 22 hours and a 48-hour fast, bro. Awesome. Best of luck, my man. I hope you prepared for it. Nah, that's great, man. That's really great. What's up, Zebs? What's up, TK? Ate McDonald's on Friday. First time in 5 years. Oh my god, damn. Bro, I haven't eaten McDonald's in so long. I don't even want to try that. Paper meat, yeah, I agree. I agree. Yeah, I don't know how people still eat McDonald's. But hey, I'm not trying to judge anyone. What's up, Conrad? What can we do about 4-hour candles opening up at different times? Yeah, just go off of your 4-hour candle. Go off of the chart you're trading. I think that's the best way we could simple things, right? Make it simple for ourselves. Daniel, it's not a bad idea, man. Get one more meal of ground beef and rice there, and then go on a nice 3-day fast until Thanksgiving. What's good, Conrad? Yeah, man, feeling great. Blessed and highly favored, man. Excited to be back. It was a patient weekend. Yeah, I love Mondays, Ace. Mondays are the best.
What's a Monday?
Yeah.
What's a Monday? I hear we're doing Munden sessions now. Have you guys heard the talk around town that the clubhouse is potentially going to be doing Munden sessions? Do you guys know what those are?
London. Yep.
Munden sessions coming. I know the clubhouse is hype. Yeah, so so normally we don't do a London session during like the first London session, like basically last night, or yeah, for me last night, for some of you guys this morning. But yeah, we're gonna start doing that moving forward. Do I like to use trend lines? No, I don't. Not really.
It's good. Good morning, Chala. Oh yeah, man, 200 trades. It's definitely enough, bro. 100%.
Yeah, Chala, great job, bro. 200 trades. W. You've got a good read on what you're doing now. So now you can see. Okay, I have the system right now. How many of my trades did I break the system? Right, and then how many, like, so you want to identify which ones are just me just trading, right? So get those ones out of the way so you can see what your system actually produces when you don't break it. Because out of 200 trades, I'm sure you may have broken the plan once or twice, right? So just try and find any of those trades, get them out, and now you have a pretty accurate read on what you should produce every 200 trades. Right, the market shouldn't change up too much. Yep, now you need more data.
Yep.
You always need more data.
Good thing we got another year about to come pull up on us.
Yeah, luckily we've got 12 full months of new volume coming in, Chala. And we've got Papa
trades.
Trump in the seat. Well, at least he should be by then. And yeah,
fingers crossed.
Well, not by then, but for the new year. So that should be good. Get sick after fasting. I fast every day for about 24 hours, but I've never did like multiple day fasts, so I'm not too sure.
Yeah, you could get sick if you don't prepare yourself correctly.
Yeah, yo, believe it or not, I don't know if anyone has a solution or have heard of this, but recently, like anytime I've been eating fruits, I have been getting like some sort of, I don't know, just like itchy throat. I feel like my body isn't digesting the fruit. I don't know. It's weird. It's not hard. It's like,
because they're
yeah, they're probably, modified fruits,
Spraying it.
but that probably has something to do with it. But yeah, man, it's so weird. Used to eat fruits all the time, and then just recently, just bananas, grapes, like even like apples sometimes. Just I don't know, it's weird. Pineapple does it too. Yup, pineapple does it too. So weird. So all the fruits that I used to always eat and enjoy eating, for some reason they make my, like, you know when you get like that like itchy, like almost like it's like an itchy throat. I don't know how to explain it.
Oh yeah.
But
Like you're
yeah.
allergic to it.
Yeah, like I'm allergic to it. Yep. So weird. Food has been really weird. Really, really weird. It started with watermelon. Or watermelon. My bad. You guys like watermelon? What's watermelon? It started with watermelon. Like 2 years, I would say like 2 years ago, but that was it. It was just with watermelon. And now, I don't know. Now it's weird. It all started with order filled, and it's just been not having the best luck with fruits either. Yeah, I'm not sure.
It started since I closed my positions manually. I think we just need to start our own farm, bro. I think that's the only solution.
100% in the future. Like, one of my big goals is to just literally build a compound, grow my own fruits, grow my own vegetables, you know, have my own cows, have my own chickens. It's going down. I want to be like Kelvin. Kelvin messaged me. He said he got cows, chickens. I'm like, man, I want to live that way.
Damn, Melvin.
You just stand outside with your AR-15, just protecting your crops. What a life.
I just want a big mansion, loyal wife, a shotgun, and a farm. That's it.
To be able to travel anytime I want, be able to give anything. You know, nothing too crazy, nothing special.
And a trading plan.
It's the same as watermelon. Yeah, pretty much. Am I fasting every day for 24 hours? Typically, yeah. I usually eat for the first time. Like, some days I'll have a lunch. I'll eat when I'm hungry, pretty much. Like, if I'm really hungry during the day, I'll have like you know, just some sort of like a whole food, like maybe like eggs or even like a New York strip. Like, I had a New York strip yesterday a little early before 24 hours, but yeah, typically every day is like 24-hour fast. So I usually eat around like 5 o'clock every day.
Yeah, you separate yourself right off the bat compared to others. Majority of the world.
Oh, wait,
majority
what'd
of
you
the
say?
world's eating.
Wait, what'd you say?
I said right off the bat, you separate yourselves in terms of like your physical health compared to the majority of the world. Like, everyone's eating pretty much all day, every day.
Yeah.
So by fasting, you separate yourself.
Yeah, and then like once a week, I'll go have like, I don't know, mozzarella sticks, you know, fried calamari. Like, you know, I still eat like good too, but I would say 5 to 6 days out of the week, I try and keep it just one meal a day and high protein, low carb, decent fats.
Yep.
How many trades today? Just one trade today. A little while ago. It was like 8:15. New York strip, yo, for real. Not gonna lie, I've been eating a lot more New York strips than ribeyes lately.
Switching it up.
Yo, that's true. Yeah, always rise. Your parents have the opportunity to give you just such an incredible head start in life, and if you are a parent, you have that opportunity for your children. You know, so that's why I'm not taking that lightly. Like, the most important thing for me is to raise my children right the way I want to. So it's you know, that's more important than making money, building business. Like, That's probably the most important thing in my life outside of sharing the gospel and the good news, is raising these children and giving them a nice clean slate in life. Me, I had to learn things later in life. My parents, they did the best they could. Right? They didn't know what to do. They just did the best they could. Me, I know more of what to do, so I'm going to do the best I can with what I got. So yeah, you can't hate on your parents for not, setting you up if they weren't set up, you know what I mean? So it takes one in the generation to go out and break the, crack the code, and then you can now change your entire lineage from that point.
Yeah, right. Their advice comes with good intentions, but it doesn't mean it's good for your life and where you want to go. Could be bad.
I'm so looking forward to it. Like, Alea's now like talking and stuff, so I'm like so looking forward to explaining a lot to them. Especially in like children's terms. You got to break things down so that the child could actually understand it, and you got to break things down in like first grade level. So it's gonna be fun.
Yep. Education, man, so important.
It already is fun. They already know so much. It's wild. Make it. Oh yeah, we'll do a little barbecue. Who wants to show? Hey, we want to see your. Actually, all of you guys don't even celebrate Thanksgiving, right? But if you do, send your meal into the food channel this week.
Let's see them big plates.
Let's see the plates. Discipleship versus mentorship. I really like that. I think discipleship so when it comes to mentorship, right? So sometimes you can have a mentor for a couple weeks, couple months, couple years. But there's other times where you'll have someone with you, right, for almost like a friend for life, and that's where like that discipleship could really be effective, is when people just watch your life. You say few words, but the words that you do say line up with the things that you do, and that I think is just setting someone up for like discipleship. Someone who you can truly pour into, like a lifelong student. Turkey for the week. Oh yeah, turkey. Yeah, the whole week after.
Yo, for real. Them leftovers be hitting.
Turkey, man. Turkey.
Family be beefing though. Family be beefing over them leftovers. It gets crazy when you bring the leftovers involved.
It's like, who ate all the dark meat? Come over here, Timmy. Ah. Hey, there was one where like the kid like flipped the whole table, all the food was on it. I don't know if you've seen that one. I'm like, dang.
I think I've seen that.
Dudes are wildin'. Dudes are wildin' on Thanksgiving. W Dan. Do I have a discount code for Top One Trader? Yeah, you could use our link. The link's in the description, I think, or whatever on the live stream. And then I believe Top One still has 40% off all week long. So you guys take advantage of that. Click the link that we have there. That way they know that you're coming through us, and take advantage. They got some nice counts. They also got. Let me know if you guys want a fully funded account. That's something that Clay's been kind of keeping on the low, but they do have that right now. If you guys want to get instant funding, they got bigger accounts too. So let me know, and I'll get you the inside scoop. Yeah, I think they bumped it to 50%. 50%. Last week was 40. I think this week they're doing like half off. TK. Timmy, you ate all the dark meat. Dang it. See, Melly, let's plan something for Christmas, bro. I'm down to chill. I think I'll be there like 2 or 3 days before Christmas. So I'm sure you're gonna celebrate Christmas Eve, right? But maybe the day before we could do something. Christmas deals on Top One? Yeah, I'm sure Top One will do some sort of a Christmas deal as well. Bump, bump, bump. That's the break up, or you wait for extra confirmation on higher time frame. I'm not sure what we were talking about there. You have to remind me, K Vila. I forget what we were talking about. Any Black Friday deals for joining the clubhouse? Yeah, so there'll never be a discount like on the clubhouse. The price will only go up. So I'm sure at some point down the road it'll probably be like a $1,500 membership. But and those who are grandfathered in at 111 are gonna be like, damn, that's what's up. But we are gonna be giving away 25K challenge accounts again to anyone who joins the clubhouse this week. So if you guys do join the clubhouse this week, it comes with a 25K challenge account, and that's kind of like our Black Friday idea. What size monitors do I use? That's a great question, bro. To be honest, I forgot. Maybe TK knows. I don't know. All right, so we have a new hourly candle. So new hourly candle, the 4 hour. Look at this big rejection here off the 4 hour. So 4 hours rejecting after the previous one's closing without a top wick. Also had very little lower wick on there as well. So yeah, this is nice. 1 hour is starting to drive down here in the first minute, breaking the lows. So keep that in mind, and we'll just sit tight here. See, we might get some other option again, like we did at 8:15, that we might get at 9:15, where if this candle kind of rejects, right, and then we kind of break the high there, you might see a dive back into the range here. So you got to play the range here on Mondays sometimes. Yeah, so anyone who joins the clubhouse, which if you guys are new to this stream, the clubhouse is basically where we do 5 days a week live trading education. We do webinars. It's basically the 20% of the community over here that are in the clubhouse that we do Asian, London, New York session. So just like we do here on YouTube, but we do it on Zoom. So if you are getting involved in it this week, then yeah, that's where the 25K account will come in and give you something to start off with. 27-inch monitors. Yeah, probably that sounds about right. I have one bigger than the other one, so I'm not too sure. And then I have a third one up here too. So unfortunately, the clubhouse will never be discounted. There's just too much value there. It's like, you know, yeah, it's just too much value. You know, it's already extremely discounted, I would say. I'm a real trader now. I got 3 monitors. That's right. It's official. Why don't we take sells? No top wick.
Yeah. That's all I was waiting on.
That. You know that.
That's all I was waiting on.
Y'all know that by now.
That was a quick push. I think that was because it was the break of the 4-hour lows. What a nasty rejection wick.
Yep, we'll have more direction.
Push down.
Yeah, we'll have more direction too here pretty soon. Nice move though, cleaning the range.
Very clean.
Couldn't really get in off here because no closure. This one was looking pretty good, but no wick at the top, so just gonna wait. Again, early bag profits here today. No reason to deviate from my plan. Do Ferraris have discounts? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Ferrari, Louis V, Lamborghini. Are the live Zooms daily? Yeah, they're daily. Yeah, so Zoom's running right now. So there's a whole other chat going on the side here that you guys can't see. This is all everyone in Zoom. So Zoom runs from basically the time we start the YouTube live stream all the way until about 2 p.m. Eastern. And then once 2 p.m. comes, if there's nothing going on, we typically shut it down. And then, yeah, like here's the schedule right here. So we open up, Monday through Friday. We start at Asian. So we open in Asian. We run that till like 10 p.m. So like we stream for 2 hours during Asian session. And then we stream for like 3 hours during London. And then another couple hours here for New York. And then every weekend we do webinars. Yeah. So that's basically the schedule. Yes, sir.
Yeah, clubhouse been lit. Get clubbing with us, chat. Let's go.
So the idea isn't trying to be at every session, right? The idea is what session do you trade and come for that one. Otherwise, you'll be a zombie. Yo, we had zombie traders, bro, in the first month. Dudes were turning into zombies out here trying to trade every single session. So it's not designed for you to overtrade and trade in multiple sessions, but whatever session you do trade, we'll be there. So yeah, that's the idea. And if you think, well, hey, there's a community trading, maybe I'll add another session. That's okay too, as long as it fits your life, right? But don't try and do anything. Don't try and stay up 24/7 in the clubhouse.
And your risk management. Yeah.
Risk management on your life, on your sleep.
Trading every session could be extremely risky. Don't do it. TK, what's up, bro? Yeah, it's all good, Daniel. I'm in there every session too.
Some of you guys are crazy like me, but most of you guys, I wouldn't recommend doing anything like this at home. These stunts are performed by professionals. Do I ever go to sleep and dream of candles all the time?
I had a dream about the chart yesterday. Yo, facts, Joseph, facts.
I mean, the winners will be there, but we don't want any. Just kidding.
Nah, you're not, bro. The winners will be there. All right, see you later, honey. I'm gonna go hang out with my internet friends. 24-hour laters. Hey, honey.
Where are you going? Back to the clubhouse. Now your wife's all mad at you. You golf all weekend. You trade all week.
Damn, yeah. Tough.
Brought the kids to Zoom. Honey, can you watch the kids here? The kids are on Zoom with us.
Damn, Gold, you couldn't just give me a topic? What the hell?
Yeah, how many trades?
Hey, that's how the markets be.
Yeah, that's how it is. So if we would have had a decent top wick there and not broke the low in the first 30 seconds, I would have taken that trade, would have had partials probably sitting right here, and then full TP right there. So if you guys are in that, I'd probably look to take some money off and enjoy the ride.
It's beautiful.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah, facts, Dominic.
Beautiful.
Facts. I can't look at it, bro. Go to ES.
Yeah, that's true. It could be worse. You
On my
know,
screen.
you could be in the club, but you're in the clubhouse. Yeah, W.
Definitely could be worse.
George VDM, how you feeling?
What's up, George? It's good.
Wow, yeah, that is a beautiful double top. Double top, break of the neckline, right? Yeah, that would have been our entry, but I mean the neckline's here, but you know, if we had the top wick. That's how it is sometimes when you follow your plan. Any trades today?
Exactly,
Yeah, one
bro.
trade. Took a buy over here. Yeah, weekly and daily close with no top wick. Yep. Yeah, I do like sells. I like these sells. We just didn't have a wick there. Took a buy in London. Got stopped out. Took a sell in New York. Got stopped out. Oh, man, you got stopped out on this. Oh, man. Amen, George. Wow,
Okay.
look at this bleeder. 9
All good,
a.m.
Maurice.
melt.
Hopefully you just followed your plan.
The what,
bro.
John?
Nah, I said it's all good. Hopefully you just followed your plan on those trades.
That's it. Even if you made money here, hopefully, I hope you followed your plan. Right? I hope you didn't get in just because you felt like it, but because all things lined up. Because if you got in just because you felt like it, then, you know, that was just luck, right? And that's I would say a bad win. But if you followed your plan to the T and you took profits here, great work. If you followed your plan to the T and stayed out, great work. How was your day today in trading? Most people say, I made money or I lost money. That's not what I look for. Like when I ask someone how their day was in trading today, I want to hear, man, I followed my plan to the T and I took a win, or I followed my plan to the T and took a loss, right? Not, I'm green today, Nick. I made so much money. Oh my God, I'm the greatest. Or I'm red today. I suck. Life just is unfair, right? No, it's just, did you follow your plan or not? All right, the plan will keep you profitable long term.
Yep. Always judge your trading days in terms of win or losing, not from your P&L, but from your habits and actions. Because that's where the progress is at, the habits and actions.
Yep.
Yeah, man. That's why you could be making so much progress as a trader, but you won't see it in your P&L because that's not where the progress is being made. It's being made in the habits.
What up,
Nice,
Traders
Daniel.
X? What's goody? What's goody? Good morning. Plan the trade, trade the plan. That's right.
Yo, what's up, Wags? My man, how you doing?
Let's go, Daniel W.
Yes, sir, Alex.
Yeah, it can get frustrating, of course, getting stopped out and price going in your favor. I mean, that's happened to me many times. You know, you get used to it. This is the game. You know, this is the career path that you've chosen. So I know it can be frustrating and triggering, but you know, the best traders hold it together. They stay composed and they don't let that affect them. That's going to happen in the game. Failed my 200K challenge on Friday. Any advice? Yeah, just review the trades, go over the trades. If you did fail, was it due to some sort of human error, right? Did you kind of lose, like, did you get emotionally hijacked? Did you start trading outside of your plan, or did you stick to your plan? You know, if you did stick to your plan, then there's nothing you can do about that. You know, as long as the plan is a winning system long term, then you just you know, show up now and look for the next best
Yeah.
trades and, you know, restart the account.
Yep.
Like there was a few trades last week where took losses on, but honestly just couldn't have done anything better, right? And that's the most frustrating thing about trading is the fact that you can do everything correctly and still lose money.
Exactly.
You could do everything correctly. You could take a trade and you could do everything correctly and make a bunch of money, and then the same time that same exact setup shows up, you do the same exact thing, you can lose it all.
And that's the exact reason why you need to be comfortable with accepting losses. That's the exact reason.
Yep. Because they will come. They are coming. And they will come during times where you least expect them. And that's why, you know, sizing accordingly is very important. Risk management is very important because you could do the same exact things on one trade and get a completely different result on the other.
Exactly.
It's tough. But again, you have to understand that that's the game you're playing. You won't avoid it. You're not going to avoid it. Just if you can't handle it, right, that's no problem. Just move on, right? Go into a different industry, work in a different line of work, right? But if you can learn to accept it and then learn from it and grow and understand the probability mindset, then you'll probably succeed here pretty soon. But if it's not the dance you want to do, then you got to move on, my friend.
Yep. We're in an uncertain environment. You can only count on probabilities when you're trading your edge, and you do not have to know what's going to happen next to make money. So accept losses and just execute the edge and count on the odds to be in your favor over time. That's all we can do. And understand your job as a trader is not to come here to try to make money, but to come here and try and execute your trading edge, right? Because we don't get paid to take trades, or we don't get paid to try to get paid. We get paid to execute our trading edge.
We've been waiting on this daily candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've been waiting on this candle all week. Wow, look at that 4 hour, man. What? It's like this just drove like 80 pips in under a minute. 100 or 97 pips in less than 1 minute here. Holy! I'll be right back. 1 sec. It's madness. It's madness.
All I needed was a top wick. That's that 9 a.m. volume, yep. Yes, sir, Mr. Slay. Yeah, man. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail, bro, you know? So that trading plan is my plan to achieve my goals. Just gotta execute the trading plan. Yeah. I figured out that the only job as us traders is to follow our plan. When every problem I had, when I thought about the problem and I was thinking of solutions, I came back to the same solution every time. John, you just need to follow your damn plan. So then I was like, a light bulb went in my head and I'm like, oh, that's your job. That's your job, to follow your plan, right? Every solution to your problem is, yo, follow your plan. So that's your job, bro. Yeah, beautiful move here, beautiful move. Ooh, I don't know, maybe Dominic, potentially. Gonna have to call the barber, 9:30 fade. Nah, we'll see. I'm just straight trending down right now. Yeah, Maurice, yep, funded. I do. I'm on a 150K combine right now at Top Step. Yeah, the daily and 4-hour candles also closed with like no topic. Let's go, Louis G. CK, what's up? How you doing, my man? Feeling good? Are you on a plane right now? Nice, bro. Safe travels, bro. Enjoy that. Nice. Let's go. Meeting up with Ricky? Oh, okay, nice. Nice, bro. Enjoy your trip. What's up, BuzzBlab? Good to see you, my man, here in the clubhouse. OGH, what's poppin'? Yeah, Marus, you know, I don't want to short it now, you know? Now's not the time to short it. I don't want to take a sell at the bottom. I want to take a sell at the top. So now I got to wait for us to get back to the top, and then I'll take my sell.
Sheesh.
Yes,
wow.
It's insane. Should I just come back later?
So, John, what are you doing today?
Right? Like, damn, I guess gold, I'll just come back later.
Gotta love it, though. Gotta love gold driving down. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Whether you're in the move or not. Whether you're in the move or not, you gotta be happy gold driving down. Let's take a look at S&P here as well today. Wow.
Still waiting on a pullback.
Little gap here. Interesting.
And on NAS, big gaps.
So S&P up in this resistance level now. Big gap up here. I guess over the weekend here. So let's see what the 4 hours looking like. 4 hours just moving on up here very, very nicely. Damn. So you're coming into this range here again. You know, you're in the highs here on S&P. We'll see what we do, how we react towards this level here. Last time we kind of drove right off, kind of pushed down, same thing, drove off, pushed down. So we'll see what happens. If we get any sort of like resistance or anything like that, I think you know, we may have a little bit of an idea for price to push down a bit. So we'll see. We'll see. I don't like this gap though. This thing is nasty. Just pretend that that's not there. There you go. Yeah, so we'll see how we react. It's not looking bad on the 15 now. So if this candle can kind of have like a little wick like that, and we can maybe push up a bit, exhaust a little bit more in the next 7 minutes, then the fade actually does not look bad on S&P. Daniel getting new. See, Daniel needed a new window. He ended up getting new rims, new whole deal. That's how it is, man. That's how it goes. C Millie. How you feeling, C Millie? Yeah, pretty much, Juan. I think they have like the same exact price action for the most part. So who here trades? Who here trades other pairs? How cool would it be? And we're thinking about bringing this into the clubhouse where we have certain people who like specifically are going to be trading the NASDAQ. So like imagine having multiple streamers, right? And we all trade gold, but we all have one other pair. So like I'll trade gold in S&P, right? For example, someone else will trade gold in NQ. Someone else will trade gold in US30. Someone else will trade gold in Bitcoin, right? How about we start trading some crypto, right? Because Bitcoin now has extreme volatility. So there's some power moves that are going to be happening on the lower time frames now that we could potentially take advantage of, right? By day trading it. So yeah, man, it's coming. It's coming. We are just getting started. Like what you're seeing at TT's, you're just seeing the groundwork. Like just wait till the hedge fund is in place. It's about to be wild. Is there any reason for this fall? I think I heard something about China discovering like a large amount of gold or something like that. Yeah, they just recently like discovered some crazy amount of gold this weekend or something like that. Someone trading crypto, yeah, yep. So, and then there's multiple streamers. So how cool would it be if you can come into the clubhouse and we have it all organized and you got Nick and you got this person and you got that person and you got that person and it's like a roster here. And, you know, Nick trades gold and he trades at this time. This person trades Bitcoin at this time. This person trades NQ. This one trades S&P, right? Like, and you just have an option to pick which streamer you want to rock with or at what time. And yeah, we got so much coming. So much. And we might even have a Forex guy. We might even look for a Forex guy. Someone that only trades Forex. Maybe they trade gold too, but maybe they could take on a Forex pair like pound yen or, you know, anything. You know what I mean? Some sort of other Forex pairs. And we just cover everything. You know, we cover everything. We got it all covered. Oh, Israel ceasefire too. Okay. So yeah, that probably has a bit to do with it. All right, let's head back over to this bear machine here. Wow. Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. Yeah, so this 4 hour candle's closing in 33 minutes here on Goldie. Your Forex guru. Yes, you know we have to have that Forex guy. We have to. Everything's fishy, brother. Everything. Once your eyes have been opened, everything gets fishy out here. Even the fish get fishy, believe it or not. Any Black Friday deals on Top One? Top Step? I don't know about Top Step. Top One is doing 50% discounts. Yeah, man. Fish are getting fishy. It's real fishy. I trade Forex pairs. Holy, 14 of them. You're going to have Chala running around the TTE roster. Holy. We got trades on GJ, UJ, EJ, LJ, MJ, RJ. Breakouts everywhere. Holy.
Damn, bro.
What's up, pal? Everything all right over there?
Were we just driving down another 100 pips?
Oh, yeah. It's all good, man. We made money today.
I don't know.
More money than I would have made at my day job. Someone, yeah.
400 pips, wow.
Yeah, 400 pips.
What's up, Shamay? Yeah, it's pretty similar. Pretty similar to gold. Not exactly like it, but very similar.
I'm not crying, you're crying. Can we get a closure with no bottom wick? All right, here. Can we get a closure with no bottom wick? Right? Boom, boom, boom. No wick at the bottom. And then can we get a quick push down? Right? And then possibly a retracement. So maybe this next candle, if we can close with no wick at the bottom, we can actually come down. We can retest the zone. And then 930 can re-break the highs and set us back in motion here. Maybe. We'll see. It's going to be a risky play, but I might be open if things line up to how I want to see them here. 26 seconds. My background music? Yeah, it's some sort of lo-fi.
Nice Shema. That's like that 4-hour session bias we were talking about.
Which one?
No, I'm just using the 4-hour session bias.
Yeah. All right, so we got 9:30 here upon us. So let's see how we do here at 9:30, and then yeah. So I drew out what I'm kind of looking for. We would have to kind of break the lows there and then reject. So we'll see if that happens. If it does, I'm interested. If not, I'll just keep waiting. Oh my God, I'm trying to figure out what George was trying to say there for a minute. Lewis, got it. Lewis, what's up with that? What's going on there? What's going on with that emoji, boys?
Yo, word. Chill with that.
Only people who eat McDonald's use those emojis. Yeah, for sells, I'd much rather look for this, like, right, to take sells. I got all day to take trades, you know what I mean? Like, no rush right this moment. You know, I would be open for these buys, though, on the move up, and then sells later. Yeah, even if we are going to get a big push down, I'd still much rather wait for a retracement. He's getting that Mickey D's breakfast, bro, on the way in.
Don't do it, Daniel.
About to get the 4 for 4.
It's either the price of discipline or regret.
Free Magnus, where is he? So I am not entering buys on this flip here. I need this thing to flip, create a high, and then come towering back down. And then the buy stop will be added. If one is added at all. Big ball. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, we might see a big push down here. Yeah, if we could drive down now, though, then I'll have a buy stop on the break of the high. Just for that retracement. Some sort of a retracement back up. Wow, this is 80 pips right here.
Oh, dude.
Back into that range. Wild.
My original move ended up being a 400 pip bleeder.
That was my original move.
The move I originally wanted.
Let's see. Can we break the lows? If we break the lows, I'll be very confident. Let's see. Yeah, we got a new 4-hour candle coming too. So can 930 pull this 4-hour candle back to leave a wick? You know, that's the question here. So I think if we can kind of push down here, maybe break the lows one more time, I will have a buy stop here. Because we would expect for this current 4-hour candle here to pull back a little bit, right? In the last, let's say 15 minutes of the candle, pull back. Let's say if it pulls back to right here, right? So that means that this 4-hour candle would close looking something like this, right? Nice, like this, like that, right? And then what's going to happen is, so this could be our buys, right, on the way back up, this move right here. And then most likely what's going to happen is you'll get a top wick for the next 4-hour candle. So that could potentially lead to lower time frame bullish candles, right, in this area that look like this, right? That move up, right? That move up and potentially start to reject. And now that's your 4-hour pullback. That's also your new 4-hour top wick. And then you may get your continued move down. So that's kind of like what I'd be looking for. I'd be looking for sells maybe on the break of these lows, but I wouldn't be opposed to taking those buys potentially.
Just because the buys are a bit more risky.
The buys are riskier, so we know that, right?
Could have a higher chance of faking out.
Yeah.
It's like we anticipate pullbacks, but we never know how far that could be, right? Or how far up we can create resistance to, or how much we want to pull back. You know, that's why I kind of just avoid it.
Stops are massive too.
Unless you get an opportunity for the fade.
Literally 70 pips. Crazy. Sounds solid. Yeah, that's probably the best idea for me moving forward. And then again, like John said, the buys, like traders who are just bearish here today, they can give a rip about these buys, right? They'll let the buys move up and do what they need to do. But being that we have some edge, right, when it comes to like the fade and all that and some things that we know about, that's where we can potentially participate in the move up and then get out, you know, around these ranges, wait for that bearish closure, and then look to take more sells there. Yeah, so pretty simple concept, higher time frame, lower time frame correlation type of deal. Yeah, we have a ceasefire. Yeah. Yo, I got my treadmill hooked up. 10,000 steps, easy money. Easy money.
Hey, let's go.
I did 10,000 so easily yesterday.
In like what you said, like 40 minutes, right?
Like
you probably had that speed up too.
I did. Me and TK were plotting some things, so I was just literally walking on the treadmill.
Nice, dude.
I'll put it on in the clubhouse because I'm waiting for Amazon to drop off my camera mount clamp. So let me see. I think it might be here. They said they would deliver it from like 7 to 11. Let me check.
Man's about to get to 20,000 steps. Yeah, Larry, you know, I need more experience with NASDAQ, but from what I've kind of seen so far, yeah, like gold will respect more. Gold respects the levels more, like support and resistance, more than NQ. Again, I don't trade NAS, I just be watching it, but trying to watch it every single day and get more experience with it. But yeah, from what I've seen, yes. Hell yeah, Daniel, we hitting push-ups today, bro. I'm at 60, so gonna be hitting some more all throughout today in the clubhouse. Should be fun. What about you, bro? Those of you guys doing push-ups today, what are you guys at? 60, nice, Magnus, let's go. Catching up, you're at 40, got you. 0. That's fine. If you gotta work out in, good job. Might as well, right? Get a workout in while you're working. Multitasking.
We're lit, boys. We're lit. Gotta love Amazon, man. I ordered this last night. Late night. Got here before 10 a.m. Yeah, I'll set it up for
Bud's
the
glad,
club.
but Nick didn't want to shake on it, so we ain't doing it now.
I got scared. He started practicing. I wanted him to do it on the spot there. All right, next 15 minute here in 4 minutes is actually setting up, and it'll probably give us better stops too. So currently, if we were gonna fade this, it would be like, yikes, like 117 pip stops. So I'm not down with that, but I am down with maybe if this candle can close weak when we break the highs, having more so like I don't know, like 40 pip stop would be much better.
Yo, Zyper, that's awesome, bro. Congrats.
What are we congratulating Zyper on?
He has a baby coming.
Oh, nice.
18 weeks. Yeah.
Wait. 18 weeks for the due date?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, snap. Let's go.
Let's go. Big W's.
Congratulations, man.
Yo,
Oh, 18 weeks pregnant. Gotcha.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Yo, April, bro, too? Come on, he's gonna have, he or she's gonna have the same birthday as me.
Let's get it. Boy or girl? Oh, you don't know yet, right? Yeah, you don't know yet. Just wait on it.
April babies.
Baby Pip. That's what we used to call Leia, but back when I had it was just a few of us, man. I know you guys see me now with a couple hundred people here, sometimes 1,000, but it started off with just a few of us trading on Zoom, just a few of us. And Alea would pop in when she was born. They would start calling her Baby Pip. Baby Pip. She actually, her first stuffed animal ever, his name is Mr. Pip. We still have him here.
I remember that.
You remember Mr. Pip,
I remember that,
right?
bro. Yep.
He's still here.
All right, good.
We got him. We got him.
He better always be there.
Let's see.
Go, Daniel.
Wow. We are driving. Look at this. Just look at the 4-hour candle, man. This thing had a remember the wick was like right here, right?
Yeah, man. Yep.
Wow. 9 a.m.
That was crazy.
Bleeder. $435 pip bleeder here.
That
Sheesh.
push was quick as hell.
What chart should we use? Oanda or Forex.com? Doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter. I think most people use Oanda, but I think Forex.com, if I'm not mistaken, does that pair have the 4-hour candle closing now in 15 minutes? I'm not sure. I can't remember. Do I know a good company to invest capital in the Forex world? I do not. I would be very careful right now with any sort of Forex investments, crypto investments. The scammers are everywhere. Everywhere. Especially if you guys are looking into crypto investments. Be careful. Be careful. I'm telling you, the crypto scams will be at an all-time high right now. Haven't seen the account yet? Yeah, you'll probably get it. I think Top One gets into their office around like 10 a.m. So anyone who wasn't taken care of on Friday, you'll probably be all set to go pretty soon. What's up, the Prather Trader? Good morning, bro. Good to see you.
Hey, the Prather Trader. What's up, bro?
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, check out. Yeah, if you haven't, you may have an email not of credentials, but just an email saying the account's being, getting ready. I watched Big Connect the other day. It was pretty good, right? I liked it. Yeah, big crypto meme coin scams coming in hot. Trust me. There's a meme coin, absolute dog-ish meme coin, just like the rest of them. But this thing may take to the upside. It's called DNA. Me and a friend were looking at it. I think it's got some potential. I do think it's going to be rug pulled as well. So, just get in and get out. All the meme coins are trash. They'll all be rug pulls. But can you get in before the rug gets pulled? That's the question. In and out, in and out. Oh, no, I only got 1,000% increase. I need a hold. Like, what?
Say what?
Say what? Don't say the stupid stuff out loud, damn it. NAS going to all-time highs. I'm not even going to look. Tradeaholics got it.
NAS for real.
Let's go, Tradeaholic. It's moving. Oh, wow. Okay, so we did close without a top wick here. So the only thing is, gang, the stops, they're 161 pips. I've basically got my hands cuffed here at this point. And that might be a good thing.
It is.
Yeah. 30-minute closure comes up and all that too, so I'll wait for that. I only put 20? Oh, okay, so you chilling. You chilling. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I don't think I'm going to be participating too much in the meme coin stuff. But there's certainly a lot of money to be made. The coin is called DNA.
Yo, Nick, do you know how I can access my practice account?
Yeah, go to where
Salsa?
your accounts are. Oh, you know what? You have to
'Cause
go to your dashboard
I'm here right now.
and then go to practice. Activate the
Oh,
practice and then do it that way.
yeah. Literally seen it right when you said something. Sorry. All right, I think I'm good. Thanks.
20 to 100. There you go.
All right, bet I got it. Get it. Time to take practice trades on ES and NASDAQ.
Bum, 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 bum. All right, so I do like the break of the highs here. The only issue is the stop loss is 180 pips. So the drop did really good. This was a beautiful drop. 400 plus pips.
It was gorgeous.
From the top there was 520 pips. Wild.
Yeah, we're rejecting that support nicely too to the left.
Why am I promoting a meme coin then? Because I own it. No, I'm just kidding. Because I just seen it. Thought it was gonna be a big push. Figured I'd drop a little gem. Maybe you guys can make a couple thousand before the rug pull comes in, and that's it. I'm not really promoting it. Just mentioned it. I was a part of the chill guy. Yeah, the chill guy went crazy.
The chill guy.
The chill guy wasn't chill.
When you take 2 losses in a row, but you're just a chill guy.
I'll save all the meme coin gems for the clubhouse moving forward if the YouTube don't like them.
Yeah.
Chilling, just chilling.
Yeah, last 15 of the 4 hour here.
Tricky to take the buys. Nah, yeah. Clubhouse going all in. Oh, whoa. I forgot to check the craziness on S&P here. Let me guess. Wacky candle for 930. Hold on. What are we looking for? ES.
We're trying to pull back.
Holy. Oh, yeah. Broke the lows, broke the highs. Damn. Tap, yeah,
30
tap target
minutes.
through there.
Disgusting.
Nasty move. What do you know? Wow, nasty move here, nasty.
Yo, what's good, Magnus? Yeah, you'll hear the order filled on my practice account now.
Hey, if you guys haven't
Funny.
liked the stream, give the stream a like here for me. Friendly reminder to give the stream a like. Yeah, exactly, Tradeaholics. Like, yeah. So if you kind of have a good idea of what you're doing, then yeah, you can make some pretty sick gains on the meme coin thing, but it's been a crazy time, you know. I don't think there's been a time like this that I've really seen where it's never been easier to create money out of thin air. Like, you can create money off of nothing. Like, anyone who made money on Sheeb, you made money off of nothing. Like, something went from nothing to a little bit more of nothing. That's it. Like, what? Wild time to be alive. Fibonacci? I didn't know that. I would have went to the Italian restaurant. Got some Fibonacci chicken Alfredo.
It's good, Xander. Yes, I do, brother. Yes, I do. Yo, would you hit up? You hit up that pasta yesterday?
Pasta?
The pasta spot?
Oh, pasta.
Nice.
BTC's dropping too. Very good. All right, Goldie. So 4-hour closure coming up here in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. We're right almost at target. Just another 100 pips, something light. Should be able to get done very quickly. Ooh,
Damn, Xander.
Louis G shopping for some golf clubs. I'm not the guy to ask. I would ask like C Millie or Big Blessings or anybody else that golfs. I'm not that guy, pal. Trust me, I'm not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust
I
me.
know.
You're not that guy.
I know.
Nick would be like Holloway or something like that.
Callaway. This guy said.
Holloway.
Yeah, C Millie got the answers, man. He's got the answers.
His name's C Millie, bro.
C Millie. Millie. TaylorMade. Yeah, I know TaylorMade's probably a really good brand. Callaway. Yeah. Gold is pulling towards NWOG of the previous week for the inbounds. I have no idea what that means, but it sounds great. It looks like it's definitely pulling towards something. For price to move when people get in late and I'm early, sell. Yeah. Yeah, the meme stuff is tough. Tough to get a read on. Some of these coins just pump quickly and then dump within the same week. W. PM Magnifico. Where is C Melly? He's probably out golfing right now. Crazy guy. He's in the clubhouse somewhere. Yeah, Josh. Yeah, me too. I wish I would have started playing golf earlier. Maybe I'll get my kids into golf at a young age instead of football. The DNA coin's up 304%. Yeah, you see? Told you guys, man. Could have turned your $1 into 300. Fire tradeaholic. Where do you live at again? You live in the States, don't you? You live in the US? Yeah. Yeah, team sports were always fun. I like trading. Trading's like a single man sport too. But yeah, team sports are great, but there's nothing like having that individual one man, one woman sport.
Yeah, no
where
facts.
it's like it's all on you. No one to blame.
No excuses.
Getting my kids into everything. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, I probably won't get my kids into football. Football's a scam. All the football players here like, screw you, bro. Just kidding, man. Just kidding. All right, so we got a new 4-hour closure here. So we did close obviously very strong bearish, right? Very, very strong bearish. So I would expect us to make a top wick here. We did close bullish on the 15. We closed pretty weak bearish on the 30-minute. Our issue now becomes stops or 170 pips. Even let's say here on the 15, right? They're still really not in our favor here. So yeah, I don't really have anything right here. Really don't want to take these buys without breaking that previous candle high, just because we could just continue melting, right? We're basically we're in a bearish rally right now, so we could easily kind of spike up and do something like this. So I'm not really trying to take the buys right away here. So we'll see if we get any more confirmation, and if we do close below, then there might be an opportunity for more sells, right? You still got a lot of clean range coming down on the 1-hour chart, 30-minute chart as well. So yeah. What did we do at this support? Did we I don't think we closed below here. We did not.
Nope.
So yeah, very, very sketchy area. Tough to take sells, right? Because we can get a pullback. Tough to take buys here because we could just keep bleeding. So there's really nothing for me at this current moment. The buys are tough. Buys are tough. I think for me to take buys now, I need to see a bit of consolidation. Right? So you get a bit of consolidation, and then maybe we can look to like trap that range, and then you get a closure above, and then maybe take the buys here. Yeah, exactly, Jorah. Yeah, I like that too. Yeah, we closed with no top wick on the weekly and the daily and all that, so I would love to see a push down here. I mean, we just corrected that week, almost that whole week here today. All right, we just corrected 50% of that move. Exactly, you see that? 1400, 1500, 750, 800. We just corrected half the move there, so pretty interesting. Oh, there's big blessings. Yeah, he knows what clubs to get better than I do. My clubs are like strata. I forget what mine are. What do we got here? Oh, Clubhouse Bowling Alley. Who's coming? We'll have all the streamers on the stream here.
That'd be sick. Have that in the hedge fund.
Yo, we have Bowling Alley in the office. How you doing?
All right. TVs for the live streamers.
Say my name. I feel you. I feel you. Yeah. So maybe just pack it in today. You know, come back tomorrow and see what price action's in front of you. All right, my friend. Cheers. Have a great day. Enjoy the time with your friend. We'll see you tomorrow. Keep in mind, gang, if you guys join the clubhouse this week, you'll get a free 25K challenge account with the clubhouse. Just something to do, I guess, because we're getting a lot of people asking for some sort of a Black Friday thing. So I think that's what we'll do for it. So you join the clubhouse, you get a 25K challenge account. And yeah. TK, what do you think? The longer commitment, the bigger the account? So,
Yes, bro.
like 1 month you get 25K, 3 months you get 50K. You get a 3-month membership, you get 50K. You get a 6-month membership, you get maybe 100K. Maybe. I think the first, I think the 1 month and 3 month is a go though. So if you buy 1 month, you get 25K. You buy 3, you get 50K. 10 years, yeah. 10 years, you get $10 million account. That's right. Yeah, just hit ! Clubhouse. You can go in there, check it all out, and then whichever one you decide to grab, then we'll match the account for you. Yeah, 3 months, 6 months gets 50K. How about that? How about that? Is there a trade setup I could look out for on gold right now? Yeah, I think the best one to look out for here on gold currently would probably be some sort of a retracement back up, right? And a new resistance that forms. And then I think you can look to take more sells at that point, right? Something like this where you can say, okay, we had our push down, we had our pullback, we have a new resistance form, and then I think sells look pretty good after that. But to take your sells here is very tough. To take your buys here is very difficult as well. I'm not seeing the best price action to take buys or fade this at all. I don't really like this little fake out here. So yeah, I don't really see opportunity for buys like I did 45 minutes ago. How do I join the clubhouse? Just hit ! Clubhouse and that'll bring you the link. Yeah, and then we will, whatever email you put in, you don't have to hit us up, you don't have to reach out to us. Whatever email you use to sign up for the clubhouse, you'll get the funding challenge credentials to that email. Be back. All right, bands counted up. Yeah, Clubhouse has been fire. Does Saturday count? Yeah. I got you. Yeah, so if you purchased it over the weekend, we'll hook it up too. Yeah, we'll run it basically from Saturday to Sunday. So if you did purchase on Saturday or if you signed up on Saturday, we got you. We got you. Oh, yeah, exactly. You guys got the gems that haven't been, these guys haven't heard those gems yet. And they might not, they might not. Let's go, big blessings. Yo, let's try and get a round of golf in. If you're around in Fort Lauderdale on December maybe 23rd. Yeah, December 23rd, Monday. Maybe UNC Millie. Let's lock it in. Let me know. Let me know. I need to use that I need to use that hybrid again, bro. I've been missing that thing. Wow, look at Nightbot. We trade price action here. No indicators. We read candles and let the market show us where price wants to go. Okay. W. Yeah, we're also going to be making some moves in the clubhouse. So we're going to be doing a lot of trade review videos, whether it's me, whether it's John, whether it's Magnus, whether it may be George, right? We're going to be doing some trade review videos. We're also going to be posting like educational content, like quick, like 5 to 7 minute videos of just straight education, gems, whether it be trading, technicals, you know, like mental part of the game. We're going to be having all that stuff within the actual clubhouse moving forward. So it's going to be pretty sick. We're switching over to WAP as well. So it's going to look really nice. Really, really nice.
Let's go.
Let's go. I like that hybrid, dude. I like that thing. I like
Let's
it.
go, Minosh. Minosh. Yeah. Too. Yeah, Nick, maybe one day on YouTube we'll switch spots.
Maybe, maybe.
Let's do it. Yeah, nah, I'm excited, bro.
Yeah, WAP is really nice. Yeah, we're switching over to WAP now, and sometime before the new year, I believe, we'll be all switched over.
Love you.
Too low to
WAP
sell,
is sick.
too bearish to buy. Yep, the moments. That's right. Man said, what was the yo, hero of the day, man. You bet. Yeah, yo, you guys gotta don't get caught slipping, man. This guy's got he's got the camera out at all times.
Yo, word, hero of the day will
Oh,
expose.
you guys are funny.
Man's just like lurking, waiting for an opportunity.
What's WAP? Let me show you guys WAP. So Raja uses WAP too right now. So this is kind of like what WAP is, where you got just another platform. So, you know, you could put a whole entire course, which we plan on doing, or build it right in here. And then you'll have like, so you'll have like, let's say a course here, let's say live streams here. So you could drop it down. You'll be able to see all the live streams. You'll have like webinars here. So you drop that down and see all the webinars. We'll do Q&As. We'll do trade breakdowns, you know, all different type of stuff like he has here. Not exactly the same, but well, it's going to look like that, right? So you just be able to click in there and then it'll open up for you and you'll have all the webinars and all that good stuff. So yeah, WAP is pretty cool. Yeah, WAP is cool. Yeah, we talked with the owners and all that, and they're happy to have us on board, and yeah, should be good. What time we got? 10-12? 10-12? We might just walk away with one winning position here today. Yeah, I don't see anything just lining up yet, right? See how we broke the lows there now? So that's why we didn't want to really take those buys. Yeah. Thank the mod god. Where is Green? Green, where you at?
Green check.
I don't have to ask anymore. I could just see if they're here. Let's go. Let's see if some Quakers are here. Name a Quaker. Let's see if they're here. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding.
I knew that name was coming.
The Quakers be here, man. They be out here. They think I can't find them, but I can find them now. Oh man. Oh man. Name a quick.
There's Green. Present.
All the Quakers are
Where's
just
Sugar Bear? Word.
15 people just left the stream. Yo, that's hilarious. Nah, that's hilarious. No lie, there was just 600 people and it went down to 545. Yo, I'm out. I'm out, man. I think that's it. I think we call it a day here. Let price do its thing. It's just gonna kind of maybe hang out here for a little bit and then begin to range. So we got to range a little bit, and then we can kind of look for buys and sells after we kind of trap price in a specific range, and then we can move forward from there. You know, otherwise we can't really do much here. Don't really want to take sells, don't really want to take buys until I see some better price action here. So yeah, call it, gang. Don't do anything
to the
stupid.
clubhouse.
Yeah, we'll hang out in the clubhouse. We'll wait for that familiar price action, and then we'll take things from there. So I'll see all you guys in the clubhouse with a free 25K challenge account. Those of you guys who are new, when you come in, let us know who you are. Let us know that you're new so we can welcome you in. And yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. So we'll be streaming tomorrow and Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, we're going to be off, though, for the bank holiday here in the U.S. But I will see y'all tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we go again, gang. Cool?
All right, boys.
Sweet. Johnny Gems,
All right,
thanks for coming through. Mod Squad.
Thanks for having me, bro.
Yes, sir. Thank you guys for being here as always. And everyone else, I hope you guys learned something today. Don't over risk. Don't over trade. Treat your trading like a business. And we will see you guys tomorrow when we open up. All right. Love y'all, gang. Peace out.
Peace,
Do well, my friends. Do well. See you mañana.
I'm doing well.
Later, Gators. Peace.
Hey, I'm doing well. I know some folks who told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a sale. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it. But I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing better than you could imagine. Picked up the book and I'm turning the chapter. Used to have Jeezy inside of the speakers and threw it away and replaced it with passes. Grandmama told me if you fill yourself up with garbage, it's probably what's gonna come out. I shrugged it off till I got a bit older, but now I know what she's talking about. That boy done changed up, but keep it real. Independent, I don't need a deal. God twang may be the trademark, but the living God is who made the seal. Supernatural, no Copperfield. Downside with the back of fields. When you're coming from the bottom, you ain't even gotta worry about the mud, cause you walk through it. Check my heels, my God gon' order my steps. You see, he taught me this lesson. If the bait ain't working on your hook, you need to switch up the method. There's people dying every day, folks down and out with depression. Gotta be the light inside the dark place, wake them up with the message. I know some folks who told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a sale. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it. But I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing everything that they said I couldn't go, and everywhere that they said I wouldn't. My plate was empty till I met the Lord, then he filled it up cause he steady cooking. Defeated death and he gave me life. Killed the lust and gave me a wife. My heart was rotten, he cleaned it up. Now I'm bare fruit, I'm truly right. Used to run around trying to ball, taking exits to elude the law. Locked down with no place to go, then he met me there and I got the call. Answer that, you gotta pick it up. I had an empty glass and he filled my cup. Pouring out to all the folks who need it. That's all you need cause this is enough. Open it daily, gotta get your portion of bread. This world is sleeping on the truth, it's time to hop out of bed. I get it, I was there as well, so I live out what I said. But judgment's coming and we can't make it right after we're dead. I know some folks who told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a sale. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it. But I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing.
I don't deserve Sunday, they want us to see the sunrise. Every time on the road, on my way to do shows. Wasn't like this before, I once used to be broke. Someone hooked me for truth. Walking new levels on God, pushing to the limit cause I'm never gone for. Steady prayer, come music could put me on time. I can start swing when I wanna shake with a word. Times and times every day in my heart. Got down but I still be going in hard. Check destruction, stick on one side. Heaven is the goal, so I'm steady taking my shot. And it's I believe, how the sense of life. That's when he does the magic of turning dark to light. He spread his love for all to step into his life. He reversed the logic of living first to die.
Saved my soul from getting defeated. Saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it. But he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. So this life I'm living is blessed. And you know that the wages of sinning is death. But he put my spirit to rest. Cause the blood of the Lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest. So man, I won't let the enemy rest.
Christ gave me new life, now I can't breathe without him. God told me if you really about it, then be about it. I just had to detoxify all of my surroundings. If I don't want to fall into it, can't be around it. Out of sight, out of mind, now I know how to fight, how to climb. Put it into effect all the time, so I don't end up back out of line. Gotta know how to detect all the signs. I gotta pick up whenever he ring. This is my worship, this how I sing. We gotta start the way before we leave. So I start by saying that Jesus is king. Now let's see who keep going. When I look at the numbers of all of the streams, it look like they want me to keep flowing. Every time I get up on a stage and I leave, I got everyone looking like he's chosen. But let me not make all of this about me, cause Jesus the one that put me on it. What an introduction. No longer am I falling in seduction. Whenever I feel I can't win for nothing, it's only the devil just hitting buttons for me to go nuts on all these productions that God is producing. We drop too much music, it's always exclusive. God got blessings, he not introducing, cause I'm being stupid, that's why I'm regrouping. I'm more than a rapper, I'm way too advanced. Look at the catalog and how it's enhanced. Listen too closely to what I be saying. You mess around and end up stuck in the trance. It's God written, it's forgiving music. When it rainy coming, he just get me through it. I find a win in the midst of losing. That's why I feel like I'm a different student. A lot of attributes still improving, but all my confidence still exuding. I told God that I'm different moving. I'm just happy that I get to prove it. I still fall into my last ways. Blessed to say that I am changed, not doing anything halfway. I walk in the gym and I have faith. I open the Bible and have grace. I run to the Lord with fast pace. I'm done with sin, had my last taste. I think he got rid of the last trace of everything that was a hindrance. All my obedience have been legitimate. I just adapt like I'm an amphibian. All of the snakes are left in oblivion. I am not slipping in none of these traps. Soon as I trip, I'ma be off the map. I can't let Lucifer get too attached. As soon as I see him, I go get the strap. Yeah, I do wrong, but I get it right. When I walked away, he was still in my life. The vision not gone, it's still in my sight. I put my soul in all that I write. I am the light, that's what I tell him. Whenever I fall, I feel like I fell him. Too many sins, I shouldn't have fed them. I gotta kill it, I gotta dead them. I cannot let them distract me and lock me in. If I know, then I can't do the opposite. That's how I finally stop the sin, by finding my confidence.
When you are in your journey to heal, when you actually have an intelligent mind and you know what you're talking about, the people who haven't healed yet, the people who are not secure within themselves, see you as a threat. It's hard to talk to other people when you have this sense of assurity and confidence. See, the confidence that they think is in yourself is not really in yourself. When you're God-led, you have confidence in God. And what they mistake it as is that you're arrogant or that you're confident or that you think you know it all. But no, you don't. You realize that in yourself that you don't know it all. But people who don't have that level of confidence in God rely on themselves. And so they know that within themselves, there's frailty, there's failure. And so when you walk around with that level of confidence, they automatically feel threatened by your presence. They try to demean you. They try to tear you down by whatever means necessary because they don't have what you have. And that is faith-based confidence.
Lord, I ask for your grace over my life as I repent of my sins. I'm asking you to place your anointing over these lyrics and not only fill me with your spirit, but with all the words to carry out this message. And more importantly, give me the energy. Amen. Blaze, do my beats. Yeah. Look. He gave me the energy, cause the enemy had me so lazy. The moment that I hit a beat drop, it's like the Holy Spirit go crazy. Even through all of my lies, depression and anger, he still came through and he saved me. All he want me to do is just talk about it. Since I'm living, he already paid me crazy. I was too focused on what didn't matter, yet he was still with me the whole time. Untied, every soul tie when I repented, he made the soul rise. No more lies, ain't no more cries. Now that I'm alive, I know what's on the line. Used to hope to die because I know that I had made the same mistakes about 40 times. I'm forgiven, and it's written, yeah. So I don't even know what I'm worried about. The enemy try to discourage my mouth. The spirit within me keeps blurting it out, and I know that God gon' keep working it out. When I start overthinking, it furthers the doubt. It confuses me about what I'm learning about. It's lessons, gotta get through it to get to the blessings. I'm done with the guessing, delivered from stressing. Even obedient when I'm under pressure is getting too easy when I'm getting tested. The devil was using me, making a fool of me. God, you've been patient with me, you've been true to me. Need you to guide me, cause all this is new to me. Help me get over the person I used to be. And I finally listened, and the Lord is a witness. So let me get out of my feelings, cause now I'm forgiven. And he broke down all the layers. Now I'm elevating up the stairs. I know that he heard all my prayers, cause I am forgiven. I stopped following all of the trends. Then he started replacing my friends. Now I don't even remember my sins, cause I am forgiven. That's why it's so easy for me to be open. I gotta put them on notice, cause I don't even think they notice that I am Every time I feel like I come up with a plan, the devil be plotting his motive too. Discussing with God on my weaknesses, but I just hate that the enemy know him too. I am not like all these other artists who be selling their music with no truth. Not just telling you about what I came from, but I be telling you about what I'm going through. I've been reading my Bible for clarity, I just been seeking some answers, I'm searching. Watching my parents divorce after 20 years, you can't tell me the devil not working, man, that really hurt me. I am affected by these generational curses. I guess that's a regular thing, but I'm not a regular person. No, I'm not perfect, but I'ma change the industry. I'm about to set it on fire. Sending me in like I'm Jeremiah. Sending me in, but I'm not the Messiah. Sending me in like I'm Moses. They tryna play with God like we don't know this. Isn't it obvious? Everyone knows it. But if they don't, then I'm here to expose it. All of these lyrics he put on my brain. Glory to God, he been going insane. All of the snakes that be trying to remain just wanna distract me with money and fame. I used to get tempted, but now I refrain. I have now broken through all of the chains. Ain't no one else in my lane. I'ma have everyone saying the name, Jesus. And I finally listened, and the Lord is a witness. So let me get out of my feelings, cause now I'm forgiven. And he broke down all the layers. Now I'm elevating up the stairs. I know that he heard all my prayers, cause I am forgiven. I stopped following all of the trends. Then he started replacing my friends. Now I don't even remember my sins, cause I am forgiven. That's why it's so easy for me to be open. I gotta put them on notice, cause I don't even think they notice that I am forgiven. Not even go stressing. I'ma just let you know. It's them wintertime vibes, you know. Yeah. I study the Bible, so I know it well. Yeah, can't let nobody make my soul for sale. Can't even lie, yeah, I still struggle, but I know myself. I fear God, I told him I don't wanna go to hell. Pray for the sermon, I'll be asking what's the gift in me. Must be this music, cause the world think I'm so sick with it. I switch my style, some people love it, some trying to get with it. I think what matters most is I'm living out what's God written. I make mistakes, but I embrace them, I'm still human. I escaped from that place that made me feel ruined. So every day I still chase what I think I'm losing. And pray to God in the end that I don't look stupid. Why do I feel I'm unable, double-minded, I'm unstable? Wanna put all me on the table so God can make me an angel. Was living life like Cain cause I was jealous of Abel. God told me, look up, child, I just wanna save you. I need to hear your voice in life so I could get through this. For you I shoot for the stars every time and I don't miss. Every time I drop a hit, I still don't feel the bliss. And deep down I know it's only cause I'm still living in sin. You transform my pen, they laughed at me, now I'm laughing with them. Transform my gifts so now I can't even rap with them. I need to use my talents cause the devil be distracting them. I need to be a magnet to you so I don't go back with them. No bad symptoms, that rhythm that God gave me, I rap with him. When I do it, they submerge in my music like baptisms. I'm good at something that pushes people to have vision. They say I'm anointed, I studied how I could tap in it. Just wanna hear what his voice like. I wanna hear him tell me everything gon' be alright. I'd rather do this all day rather than all night. I don't wanna see no more darkness, I just want all light. How come my anxiety never leaves, it's reoccurring? How come when I read the word, I leave with reassurance? How come the world is lost so much, we hoping Jesus hurry? With you, I make every shot that I take like Stephen Curry. Never worry, cause you got me when I lift, I know you spot me. You never drop me, even when my faith is microscopic. It don't matter what's the problem, I know you the only option. Every time I wanna quit, something in me won't let me stop this. Something just really won't let me stop doing this. I'm fearless. I just need to hear your voice so I could be the light.
Okay. I'm about to have a good day. No matter what they say. Sun is shining.